Now we're going to put a mountain in here on the right hand side with a little bit of ultramarine and a little bit of light red in it. Yeah, ultramarine with a bit of light red. Now we can just put that, make sure you have enough in your well. Now let's just test it out. Ultramarine light red, I keep telling you. You say I don't tell you, I don't have to tell you, don't I? Now this mustn't come too far over, about here. Like that. Now, blend it out. Let it dry, because we're going to put another one here and another one just here, so that's okay. You get dry that bit off there. Now, I told you we'll have a mountain next to it here, same colour. Now this is going to be a mountain here, which I've done, or a mountain here. Now let me have a look at this. I want to get this balanced. It has to look right. Now I'm going to put some trees maybe in front of this, so I'll have to just think now about putting some just here, raw sienna in here. Which will make it a little bit better. To see the trees afterwards. Now then, this area here, I'll put some water in that and use that as a distance maker. I nearly knocked the water over there with me. Take that out. Right. Now then, try and dry that off. Now, just looking at this and studying the design, I think I've got this a little bit too high for a pleasant design. Now, I shall be putting this hill in here. Now, let's have a see at this. Now, that wants some balancing in. With a little bit of alizarin in it or something. Just a bit there. You see, if I'd have put this hill a little bit lower, this here, let me just get a normal size 8 brush a minute. if I'd have put that in a bit lower, the trees could have come above it and into this background look here. So it's dried already, that, you know. Just a little few mistakes I've made. That dried so quick I couldn't stop it. There we are. So I will have to just dry that now. Wait a minute, we're on cameras all that way.